Hey, what's going on, guys? John Shea here from the No Shame Income Vlog, and today I'm going to talk about doing affiliate marketing without actually earning money. So this is something that's a really interesting topic for those of you who might be new to affiliate marketing. Basically, the idea of this is that you go out and actually promote someone else's product, and if they decide to buy that product, you'll actually earn something in exchange for that. Now, normally with most affiliate programs, you'll actually earn money. But what I wanted to do in today's video is talk about affiliate programs that actually pay out based on credits or rewards that you can earn instead of making money. Now, I know for some of you this may not be super appealing, but I've actually found a few programs and things that I've been using in my daily life. You may find things that you use in your daily life that you can actually go out there and start doing this with as well. So before I dive into today's video, I want to make sure if you guys are brand new or a returning visitor on the channel, be sure to throw me a thumbs up on the video. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave me a comment as I reply back to all my comments. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification as I'm going to be releasing new videos each and every week. So let's dive into today's video. Alright guys, so I have pulled up on my screen a website called Home Chef, and I'm actually going to go through a few of these different companies that basically offer affiliate opportunities but don't necessarily pay out money. So there's tons and tons of these online. You have so many options when it comes to promoting things that you might be using in your regular daily life. So this is a meal delivery kit service that I've actually been using over the last few months. I'm absolutely in love with the meals. If you actually look through my channel, you'll see I did a review and I showed like me cooking one of the meals and kind of walking through the unboxing of the meal and just about everything, right? So I thought, hey, this is a good opportunity for me to actually promote Home Chef and use this to basically earn some cash or credit towards getting future meals. So what's really cool about this is normally it runs me about $60 a week to get 3 meals. And that's not too much money, right? That's for me and my wife. I have 3 nights that we get a really high quality premium meal. And I thought, hey, what if I went out and made a review video or created some content that I could refer people to Home Chef, and in exchange, every time I do that, they'll actually give me credits that I can use towards my future orders. So I just recently published a review video and I was able to get 1 person from that to sign up. So just from producing a single video, I got someone to go sign up, get their first Home Chef order, and Home Chef decided to give me $30 in credits. So I thought this was really cool because now my next order, instead of being $60, is only going to be $30, and I'm basically going to get pretty much like 6 meals for only $30. Now, what's crazy about this is because I made a YouTube video and a review, there's a very good likelihood chance that more people are going to sign up for this, and now I've got this evergreen piece of content that's constantly going to be potentially generating affiliate sales and affiliate earnings, which I can use towards ordering more meals. So here was the video I did of that. You can see I was in my kitchen. I went through, I'll actually mute it, and basically I went through and showed like the unboxing. I went through the products, I logged into the website, and this was something I was able to get 79 views. I only published this a little under a month ago. And within the review, I actually left a specialized link that I basically put through my blog, and I told people that you'll get $30 towards your first order. So what's really cool about this is if this decides to start ranking, I think right now the video is not doing super good. I got like ranked really high for meal delivery review, so that's actually really promising. And if this starts getting some traction, getting views, I'm ultimately going to make some money back from that. So I wanted to give you guys a few more examples of this. And then at the end of the video, I'm actually going to walk you through how I went about ranking one of these videos and the one that's doing extremely well for me. So one of the next products that I found is, believe it or not, I'm sitting in an office chair, of course, and I decided to pick up what's called the Autonomous Ergo Chair too. I absolutely love this chair. It's one of my favorite chairs that I've ever owned. And they similarly have a program where you can share and earn money. So they have an opportunity where every time I refer someone, based on the order value, they'll actually give me a reward and I'll earn some money. So this is really cool. You log in, you basically share your referral link. When someone makes a purchase, you'll instantly get a discount on the order, and you'll get an email based on this telling you how much credit you earn. So if someone went out and bought like the autonomous chair for like $200 or $300, I'm gonna get anywhere from a $20 to $35 credit depending on how much they order. So this chair was $320, so I'd probably get, I'm guessing based on these numbers, roughly like $25 to $30 in credit. And if I ever decide to go and buy another chair or a desk or whatever it is, I can use that credit towards this website and any purchases that I make. So pretty cool way of doing this because of the fact that these are things that I actually may end up using, like if I want a new desk or whatever, I want to get one for my wife. It's something where I could go out and do this. So I ended up doing the same thing. I went and made a video where I compared one of my older chairs to getting an ergonomic chair. I kind of compared what should you get. I wrote an article about it in my blog post here on my, more or less in my description as kind of a blog post. And then broke down, you know, the differences, what I liked between them, and was very transparent in my review about what was going on with these. And then again, I created a special affiliate link that if anyone goes to this and they decide to buy, I will earn that credit. And you can see this is basically up here. It has a special referral ID up in the URL. And anytime someone now goes and buys through that link, I will earn those credits. Now, here's the next one I wanted to talk about, and this one was really cool. I actually have an exercise bike called the Peloton, and this is a very, very expensive exercise bike. It costs over $2,000. I have found it to be worth it, and because of the fact that I started using it, I was like very into the bike. I was like, you know what, why don't I make a video review, post that on YouTube, and pretty much do the same thing. So they had similarly an opportunity where they had an affiliate program. They said after you had completed 10 rides, so you actually had to be a user of the bike, you could refer up to 12 people per year. So each person that I would refer, I get $100 towards accessories, like cycling shoes or weights, and you actually get $100 towards your next apparel order. So really, really cool opportunity here. It said it's valid in the US, UK, and Canada. And I actually ended up signing up for this. Here's my unique code. So I dropped this in the description of my YouTube video. And I ended up getting 8 people so far have gone and actually signed up. And what's crazy is of those people that have signed up, all of them combined have done over 244 workouts. So these are all people that went and watched my video, found some value in this, right? And basically said, hey, you know, I'm going to go and sign up and get a Peloton and commit to that purchase. And I was able to get $100 towards clothing in their store. And I've gotten 8 of these. So literally I've gotten almost $1,000 in clothing 100% for free because I decided to make one 30-minute YouTube video covering this. So again, super awesome. Here's like their store. They have tons and tons of stuff. Like I can get, it's very expensive, but I was able to get some clothing for my wife. This shirt that I'm actually wearing right now, I think was about $50, and I was able to get this for free. It's one of the most comfortable t-shirts I actually have. So I thought that was really funny and just a cool opportunity, right? And there's a ton of things you can do this with, you guys. Like I actually have the Lisa mattress. That's another product that they offer a similar opportunity where if you refer people, they buy the mattress, then I can earn some money. So I've been trying to add these into my channel, do something creative with this. But I would think about, you know, what are some of the things that you own in your house that you absolutely love and are passionate about? You could go out there and create a YouTube video and actually share this with other people and set up an affiliate link. And anytime someone buys that, there's a good chance they're going to have an opportunity for you to get some kind of credit that you can use towards their services, such as clothing or whatever have you. So now what I wanted to do is kind of go through and talk about how I was able to rank this video and some of the things that I did. So this example here, if you go on YouTube and you type Peloton bike review, as you can imagine, there's literally thousands and thousands of users that are using this bike. I was able to get my video to show up number 3. And one of the things that I first did is I wanted to make sure I had a really amazing thumbnail. So you can see my thumbnail all red. It has like the bike. I did kind of a clickbaity title. I said what no one else is telling you. And I thought about when I was researching the bike, what are the things that I really didn't understand when I was trying to go into this and learn about the bike that I found other reviews and just reading blogs and all these things I had to kind of figure out on my own once I actually had the product. So I said to myself, hey, if I put that in the video, then this is going to be an opportunity for people to now learn a little bit more about this and maybe save them that kind of pain that I had to go through trying to figure out those things that I couldn't find the answers on. So let me kind of walk through what I did with this. Again, the thumbnail is really important. The title, using something kind of clickbaity, like what no one else is telling you, it's very intriguing. I decided to make sure the actual video was really good in length. I kind of broke it up in terms of doing an introduction, then bringing it over to an opportunity where I walked them through kind of in phases. So I first talked about the bike. I then talked about the shoes. I then talked about like the actual interface, because there's a whole interface like a TV that's connected to the bike. And then I showed them an example of going through that and how it works, how the whole thing is set up, and giving them an opportunity. Now you can see within my description, I immediately gave them that call to action, get $100 towards accessories with my unique code. So they have something beneficial. If they decide to use that code, they're actually going to be able to save $100 towards like their cycling shoes or whatever they decide to get in addition to the bike itself. So I then wrote out a description and I decided to utilize keywords like Peloton bike review, adding in like things like 2019 and kind of giving my context around using the bike. So I talked about, hey, this is what happened with me when I started, some things I liked about the bike, some things I didn't like, and I broke this down so it was easy to read, easy to understand, and it was something that people could go through and they would easily have, just no problem being able to go through this. I then went through and I added tags here. So you can see with YouTube, you can now add these hash symbols, and these will show up in the video description. So if we go back to the video, I'll actually click into it. I'm going to pause this ad, and you can see these show up here above the title. So I added Peloton, Peloton Bike Review, Peloton 2019. So these are keywords, like Peloton Bike Review is a keyword, and having a hashtag gives me a higher chance of ranking for that keyword. In addition to that, I also obviously added my social media, and this is just like stuff to get people to subscribe to my channel and generic stuff that I always have. In addition to that, I went through and I added keywords that I thought would be most relevant, like Peloton Review 2019, Peloton Bike Workout, Peloton Workout Review, all these different things, weight loss journey, cycle review, like different combinations, and some more general stuff like indoor cycling weight loss, Peloton bike weight loss for beginners, is it worth it? And a whole bunch of different things. Spin bike, stationary bike, anything I could add in here that I thought would be relevant. So I do use a tool called TubeBuddy, and I do have a review of that product on my channel if you go back and search. But basically, this gives me suggestions, and it kind of helps me go through and create a lot of the stuff I do for the video. I add a card into the video, so that's basically a call to action where I say, hey, go check out my webinar or whatever, go check out the Peloton bike, and that'll be a link where they could go check it out. And then I add in, of course, an end screen. As you guys see the end of these videos, it's going to do like a whole little screen where it'll show other videos that you can go check out. And in addition to that, I add the video to a playlist. So this was kind of a lifestyle video. And then I'll make sure that all my best practices are complete. Like it's in the playlist, I have an end screen, I have tags, I've added enough tags to this. I've got my info card, I have my thumbnail, and I've got my title. And the rest of this is pretty generic stuff like pinning a comment or whatever. So yeah, that was pretty much what I did in order to get this going. You can see the description is quite long, almost 4,000 words, but most of this is also from some of my filler, like disclaimer stuff and social media links, music, so on and so forth. And doing a combination of all these things, it worked out really well. So if you guys go out there, you actually pick some products that you use yourself, you're confident in them, you could definitely sign up for their affiliate products and go out there and do this. You can, of course, also do this for products that pay out real commissions and real income, real cash from promoting, but I wanted to cover this as some examples of how I've been doing it with programs that don't necessarily pay out money, because I thought this was kind of interesting. And for me, being able to go out there and buy like $800 worth of clothes and only pay for like shipping, I only ended up paying about $7 for each of those 8 referral codes I got. I literally got like $800 worth of clothing for like basically under like 70 bucks. So really, really cool opportunity. Again, if you guys have any questions on this, be sure to leave me a comment, and I will actually also recommend, if you guys have been watching my channel for some time, I do have a masterclass. I'm going to leave a link below in this video where you can go sign up for my masterclass on how I've been going out there and actually signing up new clients each and every week, and how I use this to really fund a lot of my income that I've got going on. Helps me have more time to focus on YouTube and do other things. So definitely check out that masterclass. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to be releasing new videos each and every week, and I will see you in the next video.